Welcome to Smart Technical and Engineering YouTube channel. Today we will present the types of the socket using for residential building.
1-gang one-way switch and 2-pin socket. 1-gang one-way switch and 2-gang 2-pin socket. 2-gang one-way switch and 2-gang 2-pin socket. 13 ampere socket. 5-pin MF socket. MF switched socket. 15 ampere switched socket. 13 ampere switched socket. 5-pin MF switched socket. MF switched socket plus 2 USB. 13 ampere switched socket plus 2 USB. European socket. French socket. Television socket. Double television socket. Telephone socket. Computer socket. Satellite socket. Double satellite socket. Satellite plus television socket. Satellite plus telephone socket. Television plus telephone socket. Telephone plus computer socket. 2 MF switched socket. Two MF switched socket plus 2 USB. 2 13 ampere switched socket. 2 13 ampere switched socket plus 2 USB. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel for more about technical and engineering.